Welcome to my channel. Liver is an important organ. 11 foods that can boost and repair the liver. Your diet plays an important role in protecting your liver so it can keep running smoothly. This is true whether you have a healthy liver or if you have liver disease. We will run through the best foods that can boost liver health or help repair some of the damage. Cruciferous vegetables. These cruciferous vegetables, along with cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and mustard green, are good for your liver. They are a source of fiber which supports liver health. Plus, they contain antioxidants and phytochemicals that may help prevent liver cancer. Berries. It's smart to add blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries to your meal and snacks because they are rich in fiber. Berries also contain many antioxidants, including ones called anthocyanins. Studies in test tubes and on animals have linked the powerful antioxidants in berries to reduce liver damage. The antioxidants may also help slow the growth of cancerous liver cells. Human studies are still lacking, though, so there is no definitive proof of these associations just yet. Grapes. Like berries, grapes contain fiber and antioxidants. More specifically, grapes contain an antioxidant called resveratrol. This may help prevent further liver damage in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is NAFLD. Nuts. Nuts are full of healthy unsaturated fats, which are a good addition to your diet for multiple reasons. One study found that eating 20 grams of walnut a day, a small handful, alongside a Mediterranean diet may reduce risk of developing NAFLD. Another study showed that diets with a higher intake of nuts are associated with a decreased risk of NAFLD, particularly in men. Beans. The American Liver Foundation recommends reducing saturated fat and red meat in your diet. One great way to do that is to occasionally replace red meat with beans, lentils, and chickpeas. These legumes are low in saturated fat and are a source of fiber, which is winning combination that protects liver health. Fatty fish. Oily or fatty fish, such as salmon and trout, is a good source of omega 3 fat. NAFLD is associated with diets that are too high in omega 6 fats, like from vegetables and seed oils, and too low in omega 3 fats. So, eating more oily fish can help adjust this balance. Omega 3 fats may slow the progression of NAFLD. Coffee. Coffee is good for liver health, but it works best when you don't add a ton of sugar because excess sugar is bad for your liver. Coffee has anti inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and both decaf and caffeinated coffee seems to be beneficial. Studies suggest that a substance in coffee called diterpene may help with detoxifying actions, which can be beneficial for people with liver fibrosis and cirrhosis. Tea. Tea, specifically green tea, contains compounds called catechins that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Studies shows that these compounds can help lower the risk of NAFLD. Green tea catechins may also help prevent liver cancer, but it may be best to stick with green tea rather than supplements. Green tea supplements, when taken in excess, have been linked to liver damage. Olive oil. Olive oil contains phenols and monounsaturated fatty acids, which are known to be heart healthy. Researchers found that when 100 people at risk of heart disease followed a Mediterranean diet supplemented with olive oil, their risk of developing NAFLD was lower. Prickly pear. Prickly pear is a cactus that has edible fruit. In several studies in animals, it has been shown to have a beneficial effect on liver health. When rats were fed prickly pear, they were less likely to develop fatty liver after 7 weeks. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains an antioxidant called naringin. In the lab, scientists have found that treating liver cells with naringin helps protect them from alcohol. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.